welcome you all to my channel. So for today we are going to making a simple video on how to cut reversible jacket. If this is your first time of coming to my channel, thanks a lot. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe. So for today I'm putting on this abaya top. So we made this gown here on our channel. So I'm going to go ahead and link down the details down below. So if you want to make something simple, easy and free like this, kindly watch the video below. And of course I'm rocking this beautiful turban. We also had a series of turban here on this video. So I'm going to go ahead and link it up. So this is the perfect dress for Fridays. When you say salam alaikum, wa alaikum assalam. So now let's move to today's topic. So that the basic measurements required, we have our shoulder measurement, bust measurement, waist measurement, top length and our hip measurement. So my shoulder measurement is 14 inches. So 14 divided by 2 we have 7. Our bust plus 2 inches divided by 4 plus 1 we have 10.5. Our waist plus 2 divided by 4 plus 2 we have 9.5. Our top length is 28 because I really want it to be very long because it's a jacket. So I'm just going to add 2 inches, we have 30. Our hip plus 2 divided by 4 plus 1 we have 10.5 inches. So these are the basic measurements required for you to cut a reversible jacket. So you can join us on Facebook, Sewing is Fun by Three Designs, and on Instagram, Thank God Designs. I'm going to put down the details down below. And this looks like a dove. So now let's move to the fabric. So for a reversible jacket, you have to make use of 2 fabric. So I'm making use of this 2 African prints. Okay, so I'm going to set one aside. So I've gone ahead to draft my measurements on my pattern paper. Okay, so that is what I have here. So now this is the back border. This is your back. So you place your back here. Place your back measurement. So this is very easy. So for the back measurement, you fold your fabric into 2. Fold your fabric into 2 folds because you're not going to have joining or zip allowance. So just go ahead and mark your measurement. So I'll just go ahead and cut this out. Okay. So this is what I have for the back block. The reason why I went ahead to draft it on a paper first is because that is actually the easiest way I'll be able to teach this very easily. Okay, so you guys can understand easily. So you can mark it or you can just draft your pattern first. It depends. So this is what I have for the back block. This is the back block, and you will discover that our back block has no opening at the back. The reason is because it's a jacket, so you have the opening at the front already. So I'm going to set this aside. So this is the second print I'm using for it. So I'll just take the first back bodice and place it this way. Okay, make sure it's equal. So you can join us for training. You can join us for training. I'm going to put down the details down below. So I just go ahead and cut this out. Make sure it aligns with each other and cut this out. So we're going to have 2 pieces. Because it's reversible jacket, it simply means that you can put on any side as the front and any side at the back block. So I'll just go ahead and cut this out to have my 2 pieces. So this is what we have. We have this first print and the second print for our back block. Okay, so I'll set this aside now. Let's move to the front panel. So for the front block, this is what I have for my front bodice. So I went ahead and folded this fabric into 2. So So I'm going to place it this way. Okay, I'm going to place it this way. Now what you have to do after placing it this way is to mark how many inches you want for your fall of the jacket. Okay, so you mark it from this your shoulder point or your armhole point to determine how many inches you want. So this is 16 inches. I hope you guys can see. This is about 16 inches. So yours could be 18 inches, yours could be 20, but I think from 16 inches to 18 inches is actually okay. However, you can make use of 15 inches also. So this is where we are going to have the effect of what we want. So let me just go ahead and mark these basic bodice. Okay. So I hope you understood what I did here. I just traced out my pattern paper on the fabric. However, I'm marking on the front side because of the chalk. But when you want to mark yours, mark it at the wrong side, okay? Just because of the chalk. So because of this tutorial, that's why I'm marking it on this front. So now, this is where our bodice got up to. So we are going to mark 16 inches like we said. So my 16 inches is actually at the end of my fabric, okay? So now you determine where you want it to fall. So let's extend this line. So you determine where you want it to fall. It could be at your underbust, it could be at your waist measurement. It depends on what you actually want. So for this tutorial, for you to get the effect from this your 16 inches or 18 inches, you slant it all the way to the length. Can you see what I did? Just slant it all the way to the length. That is if you want a slant shape this way. If you want a curved shape, you just curve it all the way to the length of the jacket. What you have to do after marking your basic bodice, you mark 16 inches or 18 inches, depends on what you want, and then you just connect it down to your length. So I'll go ahead and cut this out and show you guys what it looks like. So this is what you're going to have. So the next thing you have to do is to mark your neckline. So your neckline depends or determine how deep you want it to be. Okay, so I just extended my normal neckline to this point. So I'll go ahead and cut it out. So this is what I have now. So this is what I have. So I have this is going to fall this way, and this is what you have. So you can see the effect of the jacket coming up already. So we are going to set this aside now. So what I did was to fold our second piece. Place your first piece on your second piece, and then you go ahead and cut it out. So you can drop your questions down below. Okay, if you have any question or something you were not really clear on, you can drop it down below. So join us on Facebook, Sewing is Fun by Chili Designs, and you can join us for training. So I'm going to link all the details down below. So I'll just go ahead and cut this out. Okay, so this is what you have after cutting it out. So we have this for the two piece. So by the time, look at the shape of the jacket falling already, you guys can see. So we have the front piece and two piece, and for the back piece we also have two piece for the back. Don't forget that the back, we didn't open up the back piece because of this front piece. So now let's move to the sewing room. I'm going to show you guys how to turn this to be able to achieve your reversible jacket. So click on that button, like, share and subscribe. See you guys at the sewing room. So after joining the shoulders together, we'll go ahead and join the sides together. So I'll join these two sides and show you guys what it looks like. So you have the complete piece for the first jacket. So this is what you have for the first jacket. Open it up this way. So you take the second jacket, the complete piece. So you start from the neckline. This is the neckline. This is what we have for the neckline. So you sew the two necklines together, making sure they face each other this way. So you sew the neckline down to the shoulder, connect the shoulders. After that, then I'll show you guys what next. So after joining the shoulders, you sew it all the way to this lapel point. You sew it all the way to this lapel point. You sew the sides. Just go ahead and sew every other place except the armhole. Okay, so just sew it, sew the lapel, sew it down to the sides and leave the armhole. So I'll go ahead and do that and show you guys. So after sewing it round, go ahead and notch the neckline. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, so this is the armhole we left behind. So we've sewn it. Let me show you guys before I turn it. We've sewn the neckline down, up to the sides, down to the lower section. So we just go ahead and turn it from the armhole. So this is what we have. Look at our first African print, and then we have this as our African print. So you guys, if you haven't liked or subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so. So make sure you bring out the edges properly. So while I'm doing that, just listen to the following announcement. So kindly like, share, subscribe. Make sure you iron them out properly. Okay, so let me just put this on the mannequin and show you guys what it looks like. After joining the sides, you guys can see we have a full jacket for the front block. Your full jacket for the front block will be ready. So you set that aside. What you have to do now is to take your second piece. So this is my second piece. So guys, this is what we have. So you can see the two prints is showing, the two African prints. So for our lapel, don't forget the 16 inches we took when cutting it out. So this is what we have. So if you want it to be more wide or a little bit shorter, you can reduce that. So this is the front view of it. So let me go ahead and wear it the other way around to show you guys what it looks like. So guys, this is the second way to wear it. You can see this way. The first piece is at the back and we have this coming up. So you guys, give this video a thumbs up, like, share, join us on Facebook. Sewing is fun. Look at the inside. So why is it a reversible jacket? You can see that the inside is also very neat. So for the sleeve, you can decide to make it armless. So if you want it to be armless, you just go ahead and hem it, or you can decide to fix sleeve to it. So I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye.